How to reply on specific Instagram message. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open your Instagram app. Here we go. Now your home page appears. At the top right corner, you can see this messenger kind of icon. Tap on it. Now your chat session appears. Now open the conversation where you want to reply to specific message. Here I'm going to open this conversation with one of my friend. Now what you have to do is long press on the message and then swipe on right in this way. Now you can type in the message and then send it. Likewise, you can also react to the message. Long press on the message and then you can choose any of the emojis. Here I'm gonna choose this one. Also, another method is long press on the message. You can see different options as reply, report and more. Tap on reply and then type in the message and then send it. In this way, you can easily reply on specific Instagram message.